camera action button. Yes, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max come with a brand new action button on the phone, and I'm gonna show you how to use your action button right now. What's up, people? This your boy Viper, the man about tech, back again for the video. And before we get into the action button shenanigans, I bet you're not subscribed to the channel. You wanna know how I know? Because only 11% of y'all are subscribed to the channel, which means a lot of y'all are watching my videos and not hitting the button. So do your boy a solid, go down there, hit that subscribe button, and probably glowing if you have an iPhone or an iPad so you can get some more of this Apple goodness from the man about tech. If you want to know how to use your action button, what you need to do is go into your iPhone settings. And then once you go into your iPhone settings, you want to scroll down to where it says action button. And then when you click on it, this will give you the different abilities that your action button possesses. So you can set it to silent mode first. Then we scroll to the right. You can put it in focus mode, but not just any focus mode. You can choose the focus mode you want by hitting these double arrows here. And then that presents you with the sleep focus mode, the personal focus mode, and the work focus mode. Next, the camera, but not just the camera in general. Hit the double arrows again. You can set it to take a photo, take a selfie, take a video, take a portrait, or take a portrait selfie. Next, we have the flashlight, self-explanatory. Next, we have voice memo, so you can hit the action button to record a voice message to yourself. Next, we got translate, so you can use this action button to translate people in different languages and things like that. Next, we have the magnifier, self-explanatory again. Next, we have shortcuts. You can use your action button to map to a particular shortcut that you have set up on your iPhone. Next, we have accessibility, self-explanatory. You can access some of the accessibility features on your iPhone. And you can also set it to no action. But Viper, what do you have your action button set to? Well, of course, with me being the man about tech, I gotta have it set to camera. You know, if I'm walking around outside and somebody catching a beat down, boop, action mode right there. I can get that recording and things like that. I digress. I'm kidding. But usually I need to take pictures in a pinch. So the action button is always set to take a picture. But let me know, how do you use your action mode? Drop a comment. Let me know how you are using yours. And I bet there's some more features about your iPhone that you didn't know it could do, but you can learn those things by watching that video right there.